Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to curve a dodgeball easily. This will be a full tutorial with easy steps and instructions, so let's get right into the video. So if you want to curve a dodgeball, a foam dodgeball just like this, really easy to do. A lot of people think it's super difficult, but believe it or not, it's not. It's fairly easy to do. Sorry, I lost my breath there. There are essentially, I think I need a drink of water. There are essentially two changes that you need to make to curve this dodgeball, okay? So regular throwing, let's go over this. Regular throwing, you grip it with 5 fingers, okay? You wind up and you sort of throw it like this, okay? That's how to throw it. When you release the ball, your hand is basically, your palm is facing the side, okay? Now, to curve the dodgeball, a foam dodgeball just like this one, it's easy to do. There are two changes. The first change is instead of gripping it with 5 fingers, you want to grip it with 4 fingers. So remove the pinky, but then spread these out more. So that's going to give you more of a wrist flick. I combined those two words of a wrist flick to get that spin, which I'll go over in the second change. But the first change is 4 fingers. So instead of 5 fingers like this, remove the pinky, spread them out a bit more, let that pinky sort of hang loose, and that also gives you some guidance with regards to getting some like twisting motion with your wrist. So that's the first change, 4 fingers. The second change, and spread them out. The second change is when you're still doing the same wind up, but when you release, instead of keeping your palm to the side, you're angling it upwards, so your palm is going upwards a little bit like this, okay? And you're flicking your wrist. So as you release, when you get about here, your palm is facing, not exactly like to the ceiling, but like on an angle upwards, on an upward angle, and you're flicking, you're slicing your wrist. So it's gonna look something like this. 4 fingers, wind up. When you come here, palm is on an upward angle, right? You can see I'm leaning into it a bit more also because I'm trying to get on camera, and then slice it like that. And when you throw it, you're gonna get a curve. The way that this is gonna curve, follow me. When I slice like this, look at the direction of the slice. Wha-cha! 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 I'm slicing this way. So the ball is gonna curve this way. Now, remember, I'm releasing at the same point. I'm releasing as if I was throwing the ball straight. So I'm gonna release about here, right? But with the curve, with the slice, it's gonna go a little bit to this angle over here. So when you do it, I'll do it right now. I'm gonna try and not knock my camera over. I'll do the slow motion, like that, boom. Look, so what it did is, I released it here, right, to go straight, and it went a little bit to the side, even with just a little bit of a spin. Now, if I really, boom, like that, look at that, look. It went all the way to that side over here. It bounced off and it went this way. So the key is 2 things. Number 1, 4 fingers spread out further, the grip changes. And number 2, the slicing action. When you do the slicing action, it's gonna put a curve on it, it's gonna put a spin on it, you're gonna be able to curve the ball. And yeah, it's not hard to do, but it does take some practice. And I should say this, you can curve a dodgeball easily. Like in a matter of a couple tries, you'll get it curved, but curving it accurately takes some practice. So just practice over and over again until you can curve it accurately, and you'll be good to go. That's it. That is how to curve a dodgeball easily. A full tutorial for absolute beginners with step-by-step instructions and just easy steps to follow along with. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.